I'm calling this car Frankenstein.
The car's sprinkled with gold.
She started on day 5. I'm already getting like the excitement. Remember when I did like the Nismo swap, the fast Nismo swap?
Yeah.
And I was like on crackhead mode. I have one thing to wire in right now, and then this side's done.
I actually like that. Where the heck did we get this from? It was on a car?
Don't ask questions, baby.
You've been saving it? He is literally rewiring the G37 harness to work.
It looks like crap right now.
Yeah,
so
but
don't judge that.
But still, getting it to work. But to work with this, the G37 column.
And dash.
And dash.
And center console.
And center console. Yeah, and now everything works like this. Now on to what? The next step?
That side. But look, I want to... You like that?
Did you say his testicles are dope?
What? I said
Whoa, thanks, dude.
Oh.
Thanks, dude.
I mean, those are probably dope too, but
Whoa, what are we breaking?
yeah, we're
The
still like
BC,
that.
the body control module fell.
I thought glass broke. I'm like,
It did
not
something
good.
like that. Alright guys, we have to be kind of quiet because the boys are shooting a how-to, but this is pretty much how it works. On the shop, we have so many things happening on the background. So the how-to's happening over here, and then Sheldon's over here doing the VHR swap, and I cannot wait to feel how a VHR feels like in a coupe. One of the very few shop vlogs we've been doing, so drop a comment down below because I want to hear what you guys have to say over anything else. We want to show you guys customer cars, customer builds, and everything else in between. What do you want me to do?
I need you to start the engine.
So we just finished installing the downpipes on this.
Wow, you can hear the turbos a lot more. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It changes the tone a little bit, yeah, for sure. I think it's like it's a little more raspy, you know?
Yeah.
So that's the Nismo exhaust and the AMS downpipes. Sounds pretty good. We're gonna see how it sounds when it rolls out of here. Appreciate you, man. Have a great day.
Hey, thank you, dude.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. I'll hit you guys up when I'm ready for coil.
Of course. Yeah, definitely. Let us know. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go into Sheldon's brain right now, because I just want to know what he's thinking when he's building this car.
We're going in my brain?
In your brain.
Right now might be a hectic time because I smell something burning.
That's what we want.
I need to
okay.
be checking.
I don't smell anything burning here. But there also could have been some oil or something somewhere.
No, that smells like fire. Doing a motor swap, or this type of swap, and then smelling what I'm smelling is not what I want to smell.
I don't see any smoke or anything, so...
My trunk button's not in.
The BCM fell. Could it be because... Oh. So, guys, side note.
Sorry.
If certain things aren't plugged into, like, a Nissan, the button won't even work. And see, it works.
Is there any smoke back there?
No.
I think they must be burning something out there, but that was the worst time to smell something because we're getting closer. It's
yeah.
It's on fire. Okay. Oh, this thing is so gross. Do we have another one?
Yeah.
I got you.
You got one? Yeah, so everything is very, very organized up here. So, like he said, we didn't even have to look it up. We kind of just walk up here and go. How's your Taco Bell today?
Taco Bell is fire.
Damn. What are you trying to do? Oh, wow. Look at you.
See if the hood closes.
Alright, so today is giveaway day. It's a long day. It's 10 p.m. right now. What are you guys doing?
We needed to give her some tone and some fresh fluids.
That's that DE.
Woo!
Yeah.
We never do this with healthy cars. This motor we already are kind of on the fence about.
I don't know who, but someone's winning $100. So there is a total of $300 in $100 bills.
Give me best.
Oh shit! I swear, you can replay the live. I was looking.
Bradley
at you.
got the hundo.
No way.
Bradley got
You
the
split
hundo.
that shit with me.
Hey, Brad.
You wanna let the vlog pick?
Oh, so he's here with the vlog. So my next guy, Eric from Paradise, the vlog is picking your money.
Trying to pick the freshest bill so you can get that 100.
Oh, $1. Well,
The freshest bill, that thing is whooped.
sorry.
Blame this guy. This is a very interesting week this week because not only are we going to give this car away, but now we're going to give another car away. And that other car is that 350Z VHR that maybe some of you guys saw be this thing post that he bought from us. And then we ended up like pretty much helping him with the safety inspection. But that got us all busy because he found another car that he might like. So now, at this point right now, we are going to give away this beautiful HRZ. Let's go say hi to the guys and see what they have been up to.
Well, we're really close to first start, I think. We have to sink a key to it. Finishing up the harness right now. And then plug in the driver's side body harness to the fuel pump.
And then, as you could tell, the boys are getting some product photos done. We got the new Speed Division merch. Ooh, look at that. So a lot of things happen at the shop on a daily basis. Second. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys heard that on the walkie, but he just said that they're doing a first start right now on that G35 Coupe. I'm nervous. Let's go see.
First fucking try, bro. Oh my goodness.
That's what I'm talking about.
First try, let's fucking go.
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't have coolant, so I don't want to. I wasn't supposed to start again, but
When you guys ask us about like manual swaps and stuff, like, and then we sell and you cut the freaking center
whole
tunnels,
trans tunnel
it's
out?
because of that. So you can now replace it and not have to chop your shit. Got some new car activities happening. Everyone's got to wait a little bit. Let me show you guys why I bought this G35 sedan, even though you cannot put it back on the street because of the non-repairable title. And it's because it's a manual. We actually got so many new cars in, so I'm going to show you all the new cars we got too. Starting off with this 350Z. I mean, I don't even know what's wrong with it technically because nothing looks wrong with it. Oh, so because of these cars and insurance company rates, they literally total these cars for this. Check it out. That. I don't think we're parting this car out because it's a manual. Let's see if it starts. Oh yeah, we're not parting this thing out. Look how mint this is! Absolutely some of the best inventory we've gotten recently. Check it out. Even Q50s. The Q50s have been dialed in. You guys have been asking for VHR, VR Q50s. This one's a 2.0 all-wheel drive, but every single thing is the same. If you've ever bought like a car from the auction or just even from somebody and they're like, oh yeah, it's cool, and then you bring it home and realize it's trash. Imagine me. I'm buying all of these cars from the auction without ever seeing them. So when they come in and they're actually dialed and clean like this one, it's a whole other feeling. So I'm pretty excited over these cars, and yeah, let's show you guys some more. And since it is the giveaway week, like I said, that means a whole lot of merch is gonna get made. All of the merch gets made in-house here at Sac City right here. Literally everything is getting made over here, which is the exciting part about it all. I told you guys we got some new stuff cooking today, so I ended up getting these ready. I posted this photo on the track day we were going to have, and everybody loved it, so I decided to make it into a shirt. Bam, full print. Or should I do it in the front? Because that's just going to look really good. Let me ask the guys. Would you do this print on the front or back? Back, right? Oh, there you go. Sometimes I get my answers like that. Alright, so you see how it goes down. Pretty much have these. Now it's the DTFs. Once everything is lined up and straight, we peel that off and it looks beautiful. And these shirts are like nice, man. These are the shirts you're gonna like in the summer. You're gonna wear them every day because we wear them every day here. But super pumped for everybody that ordered, and we're gonna get it all shipped out to you guys. The G's ready for a test drive, and I'm pretty excited for that. I was just finishing up some merch.
let's see.
It still has that like low end rev
Hear
sound.
the little whistle right now?
Yeah,
It's because we don't have intake filters on, but it's not raining, so we're fine.
let's get it.
It's super sketch.
Why?
Well, I have the throttle pedal bolted to the floor mat, and the seats only have one bolt in them.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Did your seat move around?
Huh?
Did your seat
No,
move around?
not really.
It definitely feels a little sketchy.
Does it?
Yeah.
Why?
Just like, I don't know, the steering's still pretty tight. And it's crooked. I just don't like a crooked steering.
Of course, yeah.
Definitely pulls.
I bet.
Definitely pulls. Yeah, that's crazy. The speedo doesn't work.
RPMs work.
The stereo works.
That's cool.
This was a CD that was in the car, so I feel like I had to stay in the car. It's crazy to see a G37 dash in front of me though right now.
It feels good being in it. I mean, the drive is good. It doesn't feel like weird or anything.
This is a G37 column, so maybe the angle is like not binding, but giving it a little extra tension.
Yeah.
Okay, passenger side feels way more legit.
Okay, yeah, really?
Dude, don't you feel all crooked right now?
Kind of, but it's not too bad. It's not as bad as you were saying, but let's go ahead and see. Oh, shit.
That's just a...
The steering wheel is definitely hard as...
It definitely pulls, though. I mean, there's a few kinks to work out. Tries to drift it immediately. It pulls good, huh?
100%.
VHR power, baby.
Hey, it moves. That's great. That's nice.
It definitely...
That fifth gear grind, even
Does it really?
Yeah, dude.
That's crazy fitness grinding, bro.
Always. That's why I like almost never trust it. It's like almost every manual from a G37 send, that's something like so. That's
this,
just like
this was a low mileage car too.
yeah, but it was off of 08.
The drivetrain.
08, yeah, 08 manual. It's the first one.
That's subframe bushings or diff bushings.
Probably just everything.
Boom. No. So, what do you think of first drive?
Not bad for the first drive.
What would you rate it?
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10?
Yeah, from what I expected.
2 out of 10's horrible.
No, it's not, because I thought that like, okay, we
Okay,
both
in the
assumed-
comments, no. In the comments, is 2 out of 10 horrible?
We both assumed, oh, this is gonna be cool. We're gonna swap it through. Oh, this fits this, and then in reality, it does take fine tuning.
Yeah.
So like when like people are like, oh, I could do it, and just like, sure, we can, but
2 out of 10. I failed, you guys. I failed.
You were scared shitless while we were driving.
I wasn't scared. I knew what to expect. The steering feels like trash.
Yeah.
Trash.
So like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, still
And the
super
steering
hard.
wheel's crooked, which is kind of weird because I straightened everything out.
So like, you guys gotta understand my 2 out of 10. It's not that like.
2 out of 10's rough.
Is it?
2 out of 10's
2 out of 10's like barely running, barely makes it out of the parking lot.
Yeah, we
I would.
down. Breakdown is under 5 out of 10.
Okay, fine. 5.5.
I gave it a 6.5.
Okay, 6.5.
That's a genuine-
Okay, fine.
You
6.5.
you
Then
can-
that means we're at 65%.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's decent.
Okay.
I mean, when you say it like that, that sucks. Cause that means we're like halfway done. We have more goodies back here. So we're doing Akibonos.
It's like when the customer says, I'm bringing my own parts.
Yeah, that's fine. You're a customer.
Yes. So today is the big day for giving the Nismo away. So we are going to be setting up. We told him that we would surprise him and get him set up because he didn't tell his girlfriend that they were coming or someone who he's coming with. So I'm not trying to like call someone out. They might not be boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever. But long story short, we're going to pretend like we are an Uber. You still don't know? Oh man, that's crazy.
That's amazing.
You trust him that much? Well, you're gonna have to trust him that much because you guys want a car.
A brand new car. Let's go.
We got some fireworks going for him. Go. There you go. Congrats. Hey, there you go. There you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Congrats, Emil. Congrats,
Thank you,
bro.
thank
Of course.
you.
You know how to drive manual?
Of course.
Of course. There you go. Yeah, he's like, oh, since I was 12. Hey, let's go.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Woo, thank you guys. That was amazing.
You guys said 10 seconds and I lit it and then we waited for like 45 seconds.
Oh man, it's okay. It was actually perfect. It was actually perfect.
Oh my god. How long have we
I just wanna. Let's,
about this car for years?
really?
Yeah, for years.
Dang.
From my school.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
From Russia?
Yeah.
Wow.
How does it feel?
Here, start it up. Start it up.
I'm nervous.
The biggest
All right, let's go on the drive. Yeah, you can go inside with him. You want to go with him? See you, brother. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate
Drive
it.
safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Ooh, there he goes for the first drive. Enjoy, Emil.